So, I was talking to one of my friends yesterday, and he brought up a few good points about where the recipe is lacking as far as the preparation goes. So, I thought I'd make this supplement here to kind of go over how to actually prepare the bell peppers before putting any of the ingredients into them. So, the first thing to note is that I already used up all the bell peppers for my recipe before, so I don't have anything to demonstrate with, but that's okay because I'll just walk you through it, so that's fine. You can consider this basically part 1.5 in between preparing the vegetables and preparing the stuffed peppers. So the first thing to note is that you should put the oil on the outside of the bell peppers themselves and not on the inside, because if you put it on the inside, it traps the moisture inside them and then they get soggy when you bake them, and that's definitely not what you want here. So also the oil on the outside helps them to cook and it prevents them from sticking to the pan. So next, you should still put the salt and pepper on the inside, but you need to pre-bake the peppers before actually putting the chicken in. So in order to do that, you put the oven on the normal temperature for the recipe, and then you put the peppers in by themselves for about 10 to 15 minutes or so, and that'll bake out most of the water so that they stay crispy for the rest of it. And then after that, you put your chicken and everything in, and then you put them in for the rest of the time that the recipe calls for. Or another method you can do is to put them in on the broil setting, which will help melt the cheese better, but it will prevent anything else from burning. So there's a few options here, but it makes it a lot easier to actually get a good result once you make this. So I hope you enjoy these.